Welcome to my channel. Toyota Used Transmissions Buyer's Guide 2025. Step 1. Know your exact model. Before you even search, you need to lock down your Toyota's year, make, model, and engine size. Transmissions aren't one size fits all. Step 2. Check the transmission code. Every Toyota transmission has a code stamped on it. You'll usually find it on a sticker or metal plate on the transmission itself or in the owner's manual. Step 3. Set your budget range. Used transmissions can run anywhere from $600 to $2,000 depending on age, mileage, and demand. Figure out what you're willing to spend before calling sellers. Step 4. Ask for mileage proof. Don't just take a seller's word when they say low mileage. Always ask for the donor car's VIN or paperwork showing the mileage at removal. Step 5. Compare rebuilt versus used. Some sellers will offer rebuilt transmissions along with used ones. Both can work, but rebuilt costs more. Step 6. Always check warranty. A solid seller offers at least 30 to 90 days. Read the fine print, some cover parts only, others cover labor too. If there is no warranty, walk away. That's a red flag. Step 7. Confirm compatibility before paying. Don't hit buy until the seller confirms compatibility using your VIN. Good suppliers will run it through their system. Step 8. Look into shipping and core charges. Shipping can add $150 to $300 depending on where you live. Some sellers also want your old transmission back, called a core return. Ask about both up front. Step 9. Inspect before installing. When the transmission arrives, don't just bolt it in. Check for cracks, leaks, or obvious damage from shipping. Spin the input shaft by hand to feel for rough spots. Step 10. Get a pro to install it. Even if you're handy, a transmission swap isn't like changing spark plugs. Find a mechanic who's done Toyota swaps before. That's it. 10 steps to buying a Toyota used transmission in 2025. Follow these in order, and you'll save money, avoid scams, and keep your Toyota on the road for years. Thank you for watching.